Here we have our gas line. Now, I'm working by myself, so I'm kind of pushing up as much as I can and going upstairs and pulling from up there a little bit. But I was able to get this up there pretty far. I taped this onto my fiberglass fish tank, and we'll take a look at that when we're up there. I have this pulled part of the way up. I had a lot of trouble getting it through there, but it looks like it's going to get through where I wanted to. But this is where this really shines. I couldn't imagine trying to feed black iron up through this cavity here to get gas to the third floor. So this is definitely an excellent use for this. So let's go upstairs and we'll take a look at how I taped it on there. And I'm going to do a little bit more pulling from up there and try and get it up to where I want it to go. Okay, I had to cut another hole because this is where we were getting caught and I couldn't get it to feed through. Which is okay. Sometimes that happens. You don't always get a smooth pull. You can see a little bit here how I taped the gas line to the fish. And by myself, so even when I had two people here, I couldn't get them to go through. So I actually angled the tape so it wouldn't catch on anything, but it didn't work too good. It still caught. But anyway, we had a little setback, but I think we're going to be able to get it up there. So I'm going to work on just feeding that up through there, and we'll take another look at it when we have it up to the third floor. Here's a real good shot of how I taped the gas line to the fish tank. I just tried to make this at an angle here so it wouldn't catch, but it didn't work this time, but it usually does, especially when you're running wire. So at this point I can go ahead and cut this all off of here, and the gas line's up where I need it to. So we're up here. Now the next line, we're actually going to do this line in two parts. We have this line, and then we're going to fish a line under the floorboards. So it was just too difficult to do it in one piece, so I split it off into two. So there you go. I mean, we got this far. I just took a guess on how much line I'm going to need in the basement, and we'll make a cut. And then the rest of this we'll take upstairs and try to run our last piece. Corner turns. Just a little corner turn on there. Take your time. Now this is a specialized cutter. I'm recommending you get one here. But this is not the bottom cut. We usually have to cut this to length, so. Okay, now we have that cut. Like I said, it's not a good cut. It's just a cut to get the gas line cut. We'll make a better cut once we we don't have to fight both lines. Okay, there we have a much nicer cut. So, we're done that here. We're going to start running the line for upstairs and finish that up. With a lot of pulling, and I had to cut a different hole, and a lot of time for something I didn't think was going to take a lot of time, I finally got the gas line through the hole. So, anyway, it was tough, but you can see I ruined my fish tape. Come in different spots. So, you see there. Let me show you the line. That's how I had it taped up to get it to come through. And it just kept catching on some water lines. But finally, with persistence, we're able to finally fish our line through there.